Hello everyone, welcome to all and good evening to all and sorry for the delay. I am audible? Hello? Hello? I am audible or not? My screen is visible or not? Anyone kindly post on the comment in chat box. Good evening to all, good evening. Nidhi Singhal, good evening, and Devil PGM Gaming, good evening. Shailada ma'am, good evening, and Gopi Krishnan, good evening. Raj Kumar Rajan, good evening. Pranav, good evening. Sumit Kumar, good evening. Sri Krishnan, good evening. Josna Jo, good evening, and Pradeep Kumar, good evening. Bharat Rasarya, good evening, sir. Jyotika, good evening. Venkateshan, good evening, hi. Satapan, hi. And Sri Krishnan, hello. And Janavi, yeah, good evening. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, it's visible and you're audible. Yeah, okay, thank you, Janavi, thank you. Okay, guys. So yesterday's session, where I'll see. Sorry. Yeah. Yesterday we are all see about like what is that? So anyone remember? So what is yesterday's topic? We are see. So yeah, yesterday you see we are seeing the grouping the IPL data format as well as Power BI format. Already we see that. So today we are going to see about how can we visualizing the values in ascending like low value to high value. So that is already we know like ascending order like small value to big value and A to Z. So that is the sorting and ascending descending like that, right? So that is the way how can we do that in Power BI and how can we visualizing the plottings in IPL data. This kind of things you will see in today's session. Okay, so without delay, already we have delayed. So without delay, we are entering the topic. So in this particular session, we are all see about how can we do that. How can we visualizing the values, low values into high values. Okay. So this is the plottings we are all creating, like column chart. So in this particular column chart, so person, which team will win the particular match or this particular tournament or league like that. So which team most of the matches winning percentages have. So only the Delhi Capitals having the high percentage, winning percentage is the 62.5 and the CSK having 61 and the Mumbai Indians having 58.3 and what is that, Sunrise Hyderabad then 53. So based on the team wise, the percentage is there. So this particular plotting is called as what is that, a column chart, right? So this one is same like a column chart. In this one, showing it's a count. So the particular team's winning count. So the CSK team is having still 100 plus matches winning, and Deccan Chargers is having 20 plus something matches winning, as well as Delhi Daredevils is having like that. So each team is having winning count. So visualizing in this place. So before this plot is showing the percentage of the particular winning matches. Is that showing the count, exact count of this particular team's winning count. So in this one is the runs breakdown. So each player, based on the players and team wise, how much of the runs breakdown is there, like that. CSK runs breakdown. So particular team is there. In this particular CSK team, which players overall most of the runs gain. So like the percentage will be present in this particular pie chart. Okay. So in this particular session, we are creating like this, majorly creating like this three kind of plottings. How can we create? I will show you step by step. And next, we are upcoming sessions, we are see like fully how can we create the full entire data set and full dashboard creation process. We are seeing upcoming sessions. Okay. So now, without delay, we are entering into the practical hands-on way. We're going to open the Power BI as well as I will implement. The procedure will be common. Okay. So how we can take the data and import the data in this particular Power BI tool, and to passing the data in the particular field and selecting the features dependent data only is visualizing properly. So as well as I will creating so I open the Power BI and first importing the data. So as well as mostly our data is having two kind of way. One is a Excel book, another Excel workbook, another one is a CSV file format. That is the basic and easily using that handling the particular data set, right? So I will choosing that action data. This is the particular teams winning count as year and players name. These kind of details are presenting in this particular action data set. So do you see that the country wise, the player name and the players participation team name and the base price, each player's salary. So the salary wise we can set fixed and winning bid. So how many people to bid two particular teams winning, and year. So which year the particular player or participate in the team wise. So I will load this particular data. Okay. Yeah, Harish Sharan, good evening, and Ammu, good evening. So good evening to all once again. So now I will importing the data. So what is that first plot? As we can see. So first one is a column chart. So percentage wise we can implement the column chart. So where is the column? So now with the stack column chart is there, stacked column chart. I will choose this particular visualization tool, select this and pass it into the team wise winning percentage, right? So in our data set is only having team name is here. So we can pass it the team name, and in this particular example plotting is showing the percentage wise. So the count or percentage wise is there. So in our data set is only having winning bid. So what is the column one? Once I see this, wait a second. Okay. So the column one is which type of that? Okay, so we have only winning bid only is there. So I'm choosing the winning bid in this place. So using the y-axis having the winning bid. Okay. So now the x-axis having the particular team names and a winning percentage wise is there. So in our we have a winning bid as well as team name is there. Okay, I will increasing the size of the plotting and zoom in. Okay, sum of winning bid we can converting into the count wise. Yeah. So choosing the proper clustered column chart. So now our first one is the Sunrisers Hyderabad team is there. In this particular team's winning bid count is nearly 125. So what is the thing? Yeah, 125. Exact answer is 125. So again I zoom in. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see properly, right? So Sunrisers Hyderabad is a winning count is 125. Same like as Royal Challengers is having 123. So based on the team wise winning count is showing like that. So I will choosing the column chart. So is then name is a clustered column chart. Based on the visualization plotting selection, then only we can get the proper output for this kind of way and implementing the data. Okay, so others are common. So if you need a changes for x-axis and y-axis name as well as the title of this particular plotting name. If you go into the x-axis, means the x-axis text changes, like text applying changes. So you can choosing the color of the particular text and convert it in the bold format. So bold format, you can convert this and increasing size of this one. And next one is layout. So title for this, the particular x-axis title name. So automatically is showing the team name. Auto means what is the name of the particular data in column format. That particular same name will mentioning in this particular x-axis name. If you need that is okay. If you want to change this, means you can type that. So team's name or team's name, I give it that. So now the team's name will be decided in this place. So in this one also you can converting into the format, like changing the color and the bold wise and increasing size of this name. So whatever it is you need, you can do that. So layout means increasing the values of this particular thing. So now it's the position will be cross format is there, right? So you can increasing the size, it comes like this format. Like zoom in and zoom out, like same like that way. Okay. So next one is the y-axis. These are changes of applied in the x-axis. Then you are going to choosing the y-axis. The y-axis is have same like x-axis format. So values are on. So you can increasing the values and changing the values like color wise and bold wise, size wise. You can changing that. And the title also you can decide the count of winning bid. So you can give a count name like the car name is I think winning bid. Okay, count, winning count, I will decide that, winning count. So this one also same, so you can give it as a bold format and increasing the size of this text and give it as a dark black. So this is the changes of y-axis. So once I complete this, you can hide this and go into the grid lines. The grid line is a background line, it's an on. Now you see this, I can take the color black. So now the grid line is showing like this. So grid line is looking, we can find out the exact value of this particular data labels. So zoom sliders means zoom in or zoom out, like columns, this is showing the columns label. If I want to change the color of this one, I'm going to the more color and choosing the color randomly. I give it as a green. So green color I will decide. Okay. So I apply this color. And the border is in the particular columns, the bars border we can fix. So on this one, you see this, the border will be there. In the particular border color, I give it as a dark black. Now you see it look like a 3D format is the column will be showing like that. Okay. So it's full and full user's wish, like a user or creator wish. So whatever you need, how can you make it a pretty thing? You can do that. So the data values if you on means the particular once before enable the data labels, you can go into the move on your cursor, then only is showing the team name and the count of the particular winning bit. So otherwise you can on the particular enable the particular data labels, automatically is showing in particular bar like columns value. See this one also same like that, you can changing the values or title anything. So give it as a bold and increase like converting to the dark color like that way. So it easily understand. So now I see the Gujarat Lions is having 30 winning counts, as well as the Delhi Daredevils is having for 82 winnings count. So like this way, I can easily understanding the concept insights of this particular column chart. So sorry, I forget the title. Okay. Once I go into the title, so where is the title? I'm going to general format and title is there, and the title name is team wise winning count. Winning count. So this is my team, like the title name. So otherwise as a comment, so I convert to the bold and increasing the size. And this one in this one particular title one is having we can change the position of this title. Okay, center means I will center to, you can fix the title like text, or end of the right side I can fix. So whatever place I need, I will fix that value like text. So this is the way we can do that in common or like on unique plottings. So this one column chart. So what is the name of the plotting means? We can create the team name wise winning count. Okay. So next one. So what is the next one? So winning count, same like that. Already we can do this. So winner name wise the winning count. So we can try to create another column. Okay. Using the scatter. So in this particular scatter plot, we can give a player wise basic price. Base price. So I pass it base price. The x-axis having player. Okay, once I remove this and again pass it this one. So again create a scatter chart and pass it the base price and player in x-axis. Oh, sorry. Okay. So in this particular scatter plot is showing the each player's basic salary. So first one is, who is that first one? Is then Aaron Finch, the basic salary is a 550, like that million or billion like that. So whatever it is, we can decide that. So second one, the Abdul Basit is having 40 price, and Abdul Samad is a 20, and what is that? Abjit Tamar is a 20, and the next one Abhimanyu Mithun is a 60. So based on the player's basic price, the showing like the bubble will be what is that, marking the particular value. Okay. So the players count is increased, lots of players is there. So based on the players name wise, the scatter will be showed. So in this one is also we can create in the grid line is properly easily understanding the value. Sorry on this, converting the color. So most of the players basic price is less than 200. It's not more than 200. Less than 200 the most of the players basic price. Okay, so this is the way. So the markers type is there. Sorry. So already we see this kind of one. So in our matplot or Cbond in using Python coding wise, we can creating the visualize. In that particular matplot concept, we can pass in our marker. We can mention the marker function and give it to our particular thing. What is that? The shape. In this visual name is scatter plot. Scatter visual. This one is scatter visual. Already we see this particular column scatter in Python's matplotlib and Cbond, that particular thing, right? Already we see this. So now we can using the easy method, the drag and drop method wise, we can see in Power BI. So now the box wise, the all values are like the marking points or look like a box plot wise, like box marker wise, symbol wise. So I mark X means the X value. So if I give a diamond shape, or so whatever it is, I will choose. So size also we can increase or decrease like that way. And the color is converting as green. It's look like good. Okay. So first one's column chart wise, we can visualize like the team name wise. We can visualizing the basic team players name wise, visualizing the basic price. Yeah, Srinivas, you look like it's not like a difference. So we can pass the exactly, we are passing the lots of values. So the players count is increased. It's more than 200 or like nearly 500. So we cannot properly implement this 500 in a single frame. So it's a drop down or slider method way we can understand. So once I scroll down, scrolling things we can look like a different. If I only 10 members or 20 members is there means we can see in a single frame. But we don't have values like that. Then we you see this in look like different. Okay, so next one. So what is the next one? So pie chart. The pie chart. So we can do that. So in this pie chart, how can we do that? What is the values we can compare? Okay. I will pass it the team and the count of the team. So in our data, how many times the particular teams will be repeatedly comes, like participated like that way. So now the Sunrisers Hyderabad is in yellow color, the Royal Challengers is like grey color, and the Kolkata Knight Riders is what is that, red color, like CSK, where is the CSK? It's in blue color. So based on the color wise, we can identify the teams. So in this particular team, how many times participate in the particular tournament or overall cricket tournament life like that. So mostly the pie chart will be categorizing the values. So we have a totally like what is the count, like 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 19. Overall 19 teams present in this particular data set. Then only the 19 teams how many times repeatedly comes in the particular match or cricket tournament like that. The pie chart will visualizing the categorical values. Okay. So then additional plot I will show you. So we have a years. So what is that? Years count, right? In this particular year means based on the year value we can assigning the all plottings, converting the values in the all plottings. Now I am choosing this slicer. So now in this one it's a slicer. The slicer to adjusting the values. The slicers will helpful to adjusting the values. Now it's a what is that? Slider method. So now in this but overall years starting 2013 to 2023, 2023 like 10 years challenge like that way. So once I decreasing the years. 2018 to 2023 is count. Now you see this the changes are applied in the all plottings. So in 2010 like overall 10 years value the Sunrise Hyderabad is having 125 count. I will decreasing the size the last 5 years. So 2018 to till 23 the overall the Rajasthan Royals count is at 82. In this particular 5 years the each team's counting values will be different because I am adjusting the values in this place. So every time I am adjusting the slider, so all changes are applied in the affected like applied in the all plottings. Why? Because of every plotting is the interconnected. So I will choosing only 1 year. So 2014 to 2015 the particular teams count, winning count and players basic salary like that. In 2014 to 15 year, so only some teams only participated. So Delhi Daredevils is there. In this particular 2014 to 15, the Rajasthan Royals is present or not? There is not Rajasthan Royals is there. So based on the years like values wise, the plotting will be differ. Okay. So this is called as a slider. In this slicer method also we can formatting that. So we can go into slicer setting and changing the between, like in this particular thing a style is a between or vertical list we can choose that. Vertical list means select or deselect option. and tile means the tile button wise, the button wise is there. And drop down means all values are hide in this particular option. Once I click this all, like drop down symbol, all values are showing like this way. Choosing 2021 year. In this 2021 year, the Punjab Kings having 9 count of winning, Delhi Capitals having 8 count of winning, and then KKR is having 8 count of winning. So the player, who's the player? Fabian Allen is 75 basic salary is having. So based on the values, we can adjust the one particular value will be affected in the entire dashboard or entire plottings. Okay, so this is the way we can creating the plottings or visualizing the minimum to maximum value. So you see that the minimum value is there and maximum value is there. The first plot is showing to high value into low value into high value. That is the way the plotting will be assigned. Okay, so this is our concept. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So in upcoming three sessions, full and full we can create, see the topics like the concept are how can we create the dashboard like this format, how can we create the Netflix data set, how can we create the IPL data set, and how can we create the final IMDb data set. Okay, so I will show you how can we do that, so kindly wait and follow to our channel, then only you can understand. So once I initiating one thing, so we have offering on kind of internship. In this internship having 8 kind of benefits, 30 days of exclusive recording sessions, and then all presentation downloadable source codes are available, and exclusive 7 plus project codes are available. IETE confirmation letter is there. 90 days of LMS Course Access, assignment plus task, VIP community groups is there, and a high valued IETE certified internship certificate we can provide it. These are all the 8 benefits of this internship. So in this registration fees 2,999, our discount fees is 799 only. So in this registration link already we have shared it in the chat box. So kindly check it. It's a limited time offer. So last and final batch is going on. March 5th is the last date. So kindly don't miss this offer. So this is the payment page. For you click the initial link, you can get the payment page like this. You give it your personal details, name, mail ID, WhatsApp number. Automatically you done the payment. After that you can get it the details, our coordinator will take care of it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so today's concept is how can we visualizing the plottings to high value to low value in IPL data. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept. If you have any queries, kindly contact this mobile or WhatsApp number or mail ID also I will show you. So kindly contact this contact details. And so tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow is no class, so we will meet on Monday. In next session is having in Monday, so don't miss this. Kindly follow our channel. If you like this session, kindly give a like, share and subscribe to our channel, then only you can get it the day by day updates too with us. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. We will meet with the next session and see you. I said see you. Bye. Yeah, thank you Janvi. Thank you everyone.